In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products online with Shopify. We'll walk through the full process together, from installing the right app, to creating your digital product, to attaching the actual file your customers will download. By the end, you'll have a product ready to sell and deliver automatically. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. At the top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Click on that search bar, and from the drop-down that appears, choose Apps. In the search field, type Digital Downloads and hit Enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the Shopify App Store. In the results, look for the app called Digital Downloads and click on it. You'll be taken to the app's information page where you can install it. Click Install, then follow the on-screen prompts. Once the installation is complete, you'll be redirected to the app's dashboard. Next, let's add your digital product in Shopify itself. On the left-hand panel of your admin, find and click on Products. In the top right corner, click Add Product. This opens the product editor where you'll set everything up. Start with the title. Enter your digital product's name, for example, the title of your ebook or guide. Just below that, add a detailed description. Here you can include a summary of what's inside, the key benefits to your customer, and any important instructions for using or accessing the content. This area supports rich text, so you can use headings, bullet style formatting, or links to make it easier to read. Scroll down to the media section. Click Upload New if the cover image for your digital product is stored on your computer, then select it from your files. If you've already uploaded the image to Shopify before, you can choose Select Existing and pick it from your store's files. A clear, professional cover image really helps customers understand what they're buying. Under the pricing section, set the selling price for your digital product. Think about the value you're offering, your niche, and similar products on the market when deciding this number. In the inventory section, you can turn inventory tracking off since digital files don't run out. However, if you want to intentionally limit the number of purchases, you can enable inventory tracking and set a quantity. In the shipping section, uncheck or disable the option for a physical product. This tells Shopify that nothing needs to be shipped and avoids confusion for customers at checkout. When you're done here, click Save at the top near the search bar. Now, go back to the Digital Downloads app dashboard. Give it a moment to load. You'll see a list of your products, including the one you just created. Find that product in the list, and on its row, click Add Digital File. This opens the digital file editor for that product. Click Add Files, and a pop-up window will appear so you can locate your actual digital file on your computer. For example, your PDF, zip, or audio file. Select the correct file, then click Open at the bottom right of the pop-up or press Enter on your keyboard. Wait for the upload to complete fully. Larger files might take a bit longer. Once the upload is finished, click Save at the top near the search bar. At this point, your digital product is fully set up. It has a title, description, price, cover image, and the digital file attached. Customers who purchase this product will automatically receive a download link after checkout, so you can start selling without manually sending files each time.